Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about some exciting CSS Box Shadow tricks that will take your web design skills to the next level. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Understanding CSS Box Shadow. A box shadow is a styling property in CSS that allows you to create shadow effects for elements on your webpage. Now, let's start with a simple box shadow effect. You can apply it to any HTML element by using the box shadow property. Here's the basic syntax. Let me explain the values. The H shadow and V shadow values control the horizontal and vertical offsets of the shadow, respectively. The blur value adjusts the blurriness of the shadow, while spread controls its size. And, of course, color sets the shadow color. Now move to the code. Horizontal and vertical shadow values are required. Black is the default color value. You can add custom color value. Now we apply the box shadow's fourth value, blurriness. Did you know you can apply multiple box shadows to a single element? Let's check how we can achieve this. You can add another shadow after the comma. Let's see how the box looks after adding the third shadow effect. Let me clarify an important point. You can also assign a minus value to the horizontal and vertical shadows. You can add multiple shadows with minus values. If you want to apply a shadow effect to each side of the box, add one shadow with minus values and another shadow with plus values. Each set of values creates a separate shadow layer, so you can experiment with different colors and sizes. I can hope you liked the tutorial. Thanks for watching.